Okay, so this is card number 8 in the Hydrangea Haven Card Kit, and it's one of my favorite layouts. It's simple, easy, it's a quick card, and it's just a little fancier than just a plain card. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is cut our Highland Heather, our DSP, at 4 let's see, 4 by 4. And then we also need a piece that is 4 by 1. Okay, so that should take care of our paper cutting. And then in your packet, you will find everything else that you need. So you should find 2 4x4s. And this has already been cut and scored for you. So this is going to score back. This is going to open back. So the first thing we're going to do is attach the 1 by 8. Where did I put the 1 by 8? That's not right. Oh, over here. I'm getting myself all mixed up. Okay, so we're going to attach this to our piece of Whisper White. Let's get in on screen here. And then that is going to get attached to our card base along this edge that's been scored. Okay, just like so. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing with the 4 by 4. So the 4 by 4 gets attached to the Whisper White that's 4 1/8 by 4 1/8. Make sure that it's right side up. And then that gets attached to the front of the card. Making sure once again it's right side up. Oops. Okay, then we're going to take the ribbon that came in your packet, the gorgeous grape ribbon, and we're going to take that around here. And I don't want, I'm sorry for all the noise in the background, my husband is fixing lunch. I don't want the, I don't want what? I don't know what I don't want. I lost my train of thought. Okay, we're going to attach this. I don't want the ribbon to show on the inside of the card. That's what I was going to say. So we're going to attach this here and here. Just like that. And then I'm going to glue this shut. And that will keep the ribbon from showing, and it makes the card a fancy fold. So let me make sure I have my ribbon straight before I glue it shut. Just like that. Okay, then I'm going to tie a bow that's going to get attached to the front and on that ribbon. we go. This ribbon's a little bit trickier to fold. To tie. I'll trim off those tails. I'm going to attach that after we put a glue dot underneath. So, whoops. I'm just going to stick a glue dot underneath this ribbon here. And then attach my bow using a glue dot. Just like that. Okay. Then in your kit you have two shapes that were cut from the Stitch So Sweetly dies. And on one of them I'm going to stamp the happy birthday that came from Happy Thoughts. This is Happy Thoughts. It's one of the sets that I'm using with this as well, because we don't have the happy birthday in the Hydrangea Haven. So I am using the happy birthday from there. Okay. And then I'm just going to attach that to the larger shape. Right there. And then this is going to get attached with glue dot with dimensionals. Just like that. Really simple, really pretty. Like I said, it makes for an easy card. And all the dimensions are on your instructions so you can duplicate this card. And then also you have in your packet the pastel pearls. And I'm trying to think, do I want a brighter one or a softer one? It's your choice. I think I'm going to put a brighter one on this one. I put a softer one on the other one. Actually, I put the same one now that I got it on there. You could go with the softer one. And that's it. So that is card number 8. Card number 9 is coming up next. Oh, let me show you the envelope once again. So what I did is took a piece of that designer series paper. Let's see if this one's big enough. Nope. Let's see. We have a piece of that in here. We do. And I'm going to cut it at 6 by 2.5. This is 6 inches already, so I just need 2.5 inches off. It's a great way to use up your scraps, as well as making it look personal. And I almost stuck that in my ink pad, didn't I? Good miss. Okay, and then I'm just going to put my adhesive on here. And make sure my paper is going the right direction. And there we are. Isn't that beautiful together? Exactly. Thank you. Bye-bye.